Hey David, spoke to Lorena earlier. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Devin and I'm with SEO Dallas TX. And what we're doing is I'm just showing you this quick free video to show you 3 easy ways you could beat your competition online and grow your business. And you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you, and it's simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, just give me a call, we can chat. If you want to do this all yourself, that's totally okay too. This is completely free education with no strings attached whatsoever. The 3 things I'm going to tell you about today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So to start, content's everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you, that would be things like Austin air conditioning repair Austin TX, HVAC Austin, something like that. You can do San Marcos as well. Any area you want to target, you just kind of put that name in there and put some buyer intent keywords. Now, Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your images are saved as. So let's take a quick peek at your website. Alright, it's a really good looking website. A really great looking website. Looks like it's professionally built. I like it a lot. I like all the little logos you got here. As far as content goes, you're probably sitting at about 400 to 600 words on this page. I would recommend definitely getting that up to 1,500 and 2,000 where Google starts looking at you as an authority. Content is king of this industry, and you definitely want to have the proper keywords targeted, like air conditioning repair Austin TX. That alone has like 250 people searching for it. You see what your images are saved as? Instead of maintenance, you can also save that as like air conditioning repair Austin TX. Main competitors, you got Precision Heat and AC. Nice looking website. Quite a bit of content too, but again, not that fit. This is probably like 300 words right here. They don't have that 1,500 words though. You're gonna definitely want to beat them by doing 1,500 2,000 words. And then Stans AC, same thing. Good looking website, good amount of content, quite a bit of content, probably over 1,000 here to 1,200. But again, you go up to 15. If you go up to 2,000, you're guaranteeing you're gonna be higher than these guys. But the more, the merrier. Google wants to know that you're the authority. So that is my first tip. My next tip is called backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking at you, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You do get a lot more power from other plumbing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So there's a tool I use to check us out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it does give you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So it says that you started doing SEO a long time ago. You have been pretty prominent. You went way up, and you dropped way down and been sitting pretty steady for the past few years and kind of climbing very, very ever so slightly. It says that you have 103 websites linking to you, and it's getting 458 traffic. Now, I gotta tell you, that's nothing to scoff at. Obviously, you guys, I know you guys are doing great. Having this much traffic, having this many domains looking at you, you guys obviously know what you're doing. You just kind of want to have to boost that up. So I'll show you what your competitors are doing. Precision Heat AC, these guys have 306 websites linking to them, and they've been like pretty aggressively fighting to get climbing in SEO, and that's leading to 1.2 thousand people visiting their website. So it's a lot of business you want to make sure you're grabbing. I would definitely recommend adding another 225 sites to beat these guys. And then Stans AC, they're at 215, but they also have 4.3K. So if you beat these guys and target the right keywords, you could be getting this type of traffic. And you just go see what keywords they have. A lot of these are probably blog posts, but there's some buyer intent ones. Let's see. Man, there's a lot of keywords here. I won't hold you up here. There we go. Oh, that's all TX. Man. Alright. Well, alright, there you go. Like HVAC Austin, those kind of keywords. That's what we want to target for. These guys are number 2 for that. So they're getting a lot of that traffic. A lot of people coming from that. So that's my next tip. My third tip is going to be citations. When somebody types in air conditioning repair Austin TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first HVAC tech that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that tech because those are the easiest customers to close. People always skip these ads just because of bad experiences or ad blockers. So where you want to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business information, like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones, and so the best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in, go list yourself in those exact same directories, and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you do take this #1 spot, it takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you. You maybe have to do an hour or two of work per month just to hold that #1 spot and keep getting all those easy to close customers. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. Again, what I went over today was your content. I would recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Looking at someone like Stan's AC, though, they definitely have a lot of content, so you might want to go even heavier than that, like over 2,000. Content is king. My next tip was backlinks. Just make sure you're beating out your competitors by adding another 200, 225 websites linking to you. And you can do this by just take whatever links they have. If they can rank for them, they can rank for you. So you go look at their links and just go make accounts on these different pages and get a link to yourself. So like customer lobby, you would sign in, log in, create an account. MoveZoo, you would like join as a pro, get a link that way, stuff like that. It's just a directory. And the last thing is directories. Just make sure you figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. List yourself in those exact same ones, and then add a bunch more on top to dominate them. So David, if you want to do this all yourself, like I said, this is completely free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. I just ask you to send me back a couple sentences of feedback just to let me know what you thought about the information I gave you in this video. And if you want me to help you take care of this stuff, just give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. And you can check out our website. It's SEO Dallas TX.com. And if you're on mobile, click this link and it goes right to our phones. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great day. Bye.